Welcome. This video will demonstrate the exciting features and benefits of the public bid room solution available from Duncan Parnell. This solution is primarily aimed at architects, engineers, and municipalities, as well as owners, who are seeking to streamline their bid management processes for their public and private projects and be more efficient with their methods. There are many challenges that occur for these businesses when managing their own bid processes. Usually, too many copies are printed in advance due to an overestimation of the number of sets they will need to accommodate all the bidders. This can result in a lot of waste. These sets are sometimes stored within the business, taking up valuable office space. The collection of deposit checks for some projects that require refundable or non-refundable checks from bidders can be a difficult organizational task. Maintaining an accurate bidders list can also be difficult to manage as bidders continuously place orders. As sets are produced and claimed, the distribution of sometimes large sets of drawings and thick project manuals can be cumbersome to any administrative staff to handle. As addenda are released, creating a distribution list from all existing bidders and then distributing those documents accurately and timely result in tough deadlines to complete. All of the above processes obviously can result in a large overall cost in money and time spent by the business to satisfy this bid. The overall goal of our solution is to remove these challenges from your business and, more importantly, save you money and time. So how is this accomplished? The primary feature is the online bid room that provides easy 24/7 access to your bid project on the internet for your bidders to browse and order. Recently posted projects are listed as bidders enter the site where they can easily search for your project or simply browse other available projects. Private projects for bid can also be accommodated and are password protected. They can only be accessed by knowing an assigned password, which is distributed via communication with your closed list of bidders. The posting will include contact information from your business, pre-bid and bid date instructions, where the project is located, a brief description of the project, as well as a complete list of notes about the project for the bidders to read. This information is usually captured from the official advertisement for bid. Purchasing requirements are also listed so the bidders know how they're to request a set of bid documents. As a free service, any public job posted will be advertised by email to all registered users, notifying them of the new posting for bid. The drawings and any specifications are available to be posted online if the project is allowed to display them. These are in a view-only environment and cannot be printed. Drawings can be launched into a Java display where each sheet can be easily navigated via a drop-down box that lists the drawings for the entire list. Each drawing can also be magnified to inspect any area of the drawing. By allowing orders to be placed on demand via ordering online or simply contacting any of our 13 locations throughout the Carolinas, the overprinting of sets to accommodate a conservative estimate is no longer required and reduces your waste, which of course reduces costs. Checks or payments can be sent directly to Duncan Parnell, thus removing the burden of managing those payments. The bidders list can be maintained and reviewed online as bidders are added to the project. As orders are placed, the bidders will be added along with their method of receipt and also have tracking numbers for the packages displayed. Set numbers are also applied automatically, which can be written on bid sets if required. The plan holders list can be made public for all users to see, or it can be private where only designated persons in the company that posted the job can view the list. In addition, these designated persons also have access to a view log, which can list all anonymous and registered users who have viewed the job online. As for these large potential bid set packages, Duncan Parnell will handle the distribution of these sets for you. Our staff is trained in carefully packaging and shipping these kinds of sets daily from our facilities. And with 13 locations spread throughout the Carolinas, your bidders have multiple pickup points available. The notification of any addendum is carried out by the system upon release. A read receipt email is sent to all existing plan holders, with the confirmation email directed back to the project manager for verification of receipt. Any bidders who enter a bid after addendums are released will receive the original bid documents and individual addendum releases up to the date of their order. In the cases where a refundable deposit check is managed by Duck & Parnell, we can store the return bid sets and return deposit checks after reviewing the return sets to be sure there are no markups or missing pages. Sets can then be delivered to the job site or other destination once the bidding is completed and a contract awarded. A final bid tabulation document can also be posted on the site for public review if elected. The end result of all these features is an overall reduction in cost and time spent by you and your staff to administrate these bids yourself. If you are interested in this solution, please contact your local Duck & Parnell location or call 1-800-849-7708 and ask to speak with a plan room administrator. Thank you very much for your time.